Shut up and sit down.
Right, I'm still trying to get traffic notifications working on the Toyota sat-nav system. I've been playing with loads of settings and I've found I can get traffic information when I'm in but you've got to set it up. You have to go general, and then on the drop down screen you have to pick Toyota Online as your preferred internet provider for the information. You can't use Apple CarPlay, you can't use Android Auto. So them are the settings I've just set up on my main screen. Preferred service, Toyota Online. Then I've come down to navigation, and I've come down to traffic. To get the information, you have to go traffic messages via internet, because you're now using the Toyota Online system. So now if I go into map, click on traffic, I'm now getting traffic alerts in a 100-mile radius. And at the moment, according to Toyota's system, there is only one alert, and that is telling me there's impassable hazard driving conditions 60 miles away from me on the M65 junction 8. So that means they must have some snow up there. So you can get the information, you've just got to use them particular settings. So let me just try, now I've got the settings in the system, calculating a route and seeing if I get any traffic information when I've got route guidance on.
Caution motorway on the route, caution toll road on the route. Prepare to turn right and then immediately turn right again.
I'm only getting one, and that's in the radius I've set, and that's on the M65, but it's not showing anything en route. So it looks like the system does work, but until I actually try it on a long journey, I can't say yay or nay it works on a route, but I would suspect it does. I'm going to leave it at that for now, carry on playing with it, and bring you back in another video when I'm going somewhere and I'm using the Toyota satellite navigation rather than my Google Maps or Waze. Let's just see where it goes. But them are the settings I'm using. Toyota Online for my preferred service, and then traffic messages via the internet. And if there's no internet, I've got road traffic set up via the RDS system, which you can do in radio traffic settings and just set it to auto. Let's just see if it works for me. Let's leave the little problem there for now, but at least I've got some information that's come up on the screen, which is better than none. Because I know I'm online, and I'm online via my phone, but what I have discovered is if you connect your phone via the lead, you don't get any information. If your phone's disconnected, you're then using your Bluetooth connection and the system seems to work. And it does connect. So I know I'm on the internet. I can prove I'm on the internet by going into Toyota's online system via my Bluetooth connection, clicking map update and check now. It'll only do that when it's got an internet connection, which I've got an internet connection and it's telling me my maps are up to date. So yeah, the system only works if the phone's disconnected and you're using a Bluetooth connection. It doesn't work via your cable connection. It has to be a Bluetooth connection. But it looks like traffic data does work in the mapping system. As it's showing there. So them are the settings you need to get your traffic on your Toyota system. Hey, thanks again for watching a North Wales side-by-side video, and I hope some of that information, and that's been really frustrating to find. It's been a really frustrating little problem. I've tried loads and loads of things. I sat on the drive at one point with an internet connection to the house and I couldn't get it to work. I logged into the router at home and for some reason I couldn't get it to work, but I've come away from the house now and I'm close to a mast. The mast is only on the mountain behind me and it seems to work. So try them settings and see if it works for you. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. Please consider liking the video. Thank you.